Wenzhou Hongxiang, Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited. Established in 2018, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of hose reel, tool cart, high-pressure washing machine, polisher, tool guns, car washing, arm, industrial vacuum cleaner, brush, towel, and other car washing tools. Some products have patent certificates, supplied to car beauty shops, car wash shops, hardware tool shops, chain supermarkets, and large purchasers. We are located in Wenzhou, Zhejiang Province with convenient transportation access. Our affiliated factory have a plant area of more than 2,000 square meters. Strong strength to ensure the delivery in time. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates of most products. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Arabia, Malaysia, Korea, Brazil, etc. We have no MOQ and larger stock. Welcome to take samples and accept Costinel samples. We have been updating our car washing tools, improving them, and adding AI features. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad.